DJI is back in the spotlight, and there's a lot of noise about a drone that might just change everything again. It's called the DJI Neo 2. And from what people are saying, it sounds like a big deal. This drone could be packed with smart features that make flying easier and safer, even in tight or busy places. It's not just for people who fly drones for fun. It sounds like something made for real work like filming, building sites, warehouse tasks, security patrols, and more. The idea is that the DJI Neo 2 will have better sensors, longer battery life, and stronger build quality, so it could fly longer, go farther, and handle rough weather without a problem. If this turns out to be true, it might become a must-have tool for drone pilots who want to shoot great video or keep an eye on things from above. Rumors say this drone will even be able to think for itself with powerful AI, so it can make choices in real time and avoid trouble without needing you to step in if you love cool new drone tech or use drones for work. This is something you'll want to keep an eye on. The DJI Neo 2 could be one of the most exciting drone launches in a long time, and it might raise the bar for what drones can do. The DJI Neo 2 might bring a whole new level of performance to the drone world based on what we're hearing. It could come with a super smart AI flight system that helps the drone make fast decisions while flying. This could be useful in busy spots like crowded work zones or cities, because the drone would be able to see things around it and change its path without waiting for you to tell it what to do. That means fewer crashes and smoother flights, even if the space is tight or complex. Some leaks suggest it might include a new kind of chip made for real-time processing, so it could adjust while flying instead of needing help later. This would make it easier to use for beginners and more reliable for pros who fly in tough spots. Battery life could be another major step up. Reports say the Neo 2 might fly for up to 60 minutes on one charge. That's a big deal because longer flight time means you can get more done without having to land and recharge if you're using it for jobs like checking buildings, filming long scenes, or patrolling areas. This change could save a lot of time. It might also fly faster with a new propulsion system that helps it move at top speeds of around 65 miles per hour while still staying balanced and smooth. That's perfect if you need action shots or fast tracking for sports or wildlife videos when it comes to control. The Neo 2 might come with a brand new controller. This one could have a screen built into it so you won't need to connect your phone anymore, and it might feel better in your hands with a shape that's easier to hold for long flights. Some say the controller will also have a bigger battery, so you won't need to charge it as often during big shoots. Video and photo quality could be another big win here. The Neo 2 might come with a 1-inch sensor that takes 20 megapixel photos and records video in 5.4K at 60 frames per second. That's serious quality and would be great for creators who want crisp shots and smooth slow motion. The camera might also have an adjustable aperture so you can get better shots in low light, or have more control over depth of field. There might even be support for 10-bit color profiles, which gives you more room for editing. Later connectivity is getting an upgrade too. The drone might support Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, so it stays connected better and transfers files faster. It could also work smoothly with the DJI Fly app so you can plan your routes, update your system, and keep track of your flight in real time. Safety is also looking better. The Neo 2 might have 6-way obstacle sensing that works with AI, so it can spot things all around it and move smartly to avoid them. Even if you fly through tight areas like between trees or around buildings, it should be able to keep itself safe. You might also get new smart flight modes like Active Track 5.0, which lets the drone follow you or an object smoothly without needing much input, and Point of Interest 4.0 might help it fly around a subject to get dynamic moving shots with no hassle. The drone's body might be light but tough. Early talk says it could fold up for easy carrying and also have some weather resistance, so it could be used outdoors in different types of weather and still hold up strong. All these things together make the DJI Neo 2 sound like a big upgrade over the last drones in the same class. If these rumors are true, it could be one of the best options for both professionals and drone fans who want more features, more control, and better results. So that's everything we know right now about the DJI Neo 2. It's not confirmed yet, but if even half of this turns out to be true, we're looking at one of the most advanced drones DJI has made so far. It could be a great fit for filmmakers, content creators, workers in security or construction, and anyone who wants a drone that can handle more on its own. The mix of smart flight, longer battery, better video, and strong build makes this drone sound like a real game changer. If you've been waiting for a drone that can do more with less help, this might be the one. What about you? Do you think the DJI Neo 2 is going to be the next big thing in drones? Or are you still happy with your current setup? Let us know what you think in the comments, if this breakdown helped you out and you want more simple tech updates. Make sure to like the video and follow Factic for the latest info. Thanks for hanging out with us, and we'll see you again real soon with more updates.